Hi! Using these tools and materials, we will make a set of bracelet, pendant, and earrings. I buy tools and materials on AliExpress. We will dedicate this video to the bracelet. So let's get started. First, you need to prepare the end caps. They consist of 3 sections and the middle needs to be pressed so that it becomes flat. As a result, we will get not a round hole at the end cap but an elliptical one, which will not allow the fixing bead to slip through the end cap. To assemble the bracelet, I use a metal cable. We pass the cable through the fixing bead. So, let's go. First, thread the end bead. String the connector. It will connect the 2 ends of the cable. Next, string a decorative bead on one of the end of the cable, for example, on the bottom one. Now string the next connector. And the next bead on the other end of the cable, and so we continue stringing beads through the connector alternately on one, then on the other end of the cable. This is the main decorative element of our bracelet. Now we need to put the end cap on its open side so that it looks the same as the side we started the assembly with. Now let's make a clasp and a beautiful pendant for our bracelet. Well, here's what we got. Earrings are an element of our set, which we will make in the next video. If you like the video, please give it a like, and if not, I'd appreciate a critical comment.